Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today we have two new Louis Vuitton unboxings to get through, so let's get into it. Before I get started with today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday as well as shorts every other day. So if you like that kind of content or simply want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get into today's unboxing. So I do have two items to unbox today. One is going to be from the Murakami collection, as well as the other one is going to be from the Donuts line. I do have a little bit of an update there, and I'm not kind of happy about it, but one of the items that I ordered from the Donuts line, which if you saw my last week's video, you're probably going to know what it is. It is the pistachio pocket organizer. So I placed that order back in December, and I was given an estimated time of about 4 weeks. It's been past the 4 weeks now, so I reached out to my client advisor, and she unfortunately said that this piece is significantly delayed, and I am now expected to receive it by end of February. So in total, it will be about 10 weeks for this item to arrive. Kind of on the fence about if I want to just cancel that order at this point, because as much as I love that pistachio color, I just don't understand what's taking so long, especially because a lot of individuals that watch my videos say that some of these items are available in their store. Obviously, they might not be in Canada, they might be in a different region. So I just don't understand why we can't source those items from those regions to fulfill pre-orders that were placed in December. So I'm still contemplating on whether or not I want to cancel that order, but that's where I'm at with that collection. And then same thing with my Murakami orders. Because of that delay for the donuts, I had asked her if my Murakami orders are also delayed because they have seen no movement since December. So she's still getting back to me on that one, and I'm hoping that those ones are not delayed because it is getting a little bit frustrating at this point that I've paid my money up front for these items and I'm still not getting anywhere with whether or not they are on their way. So fingers crossed that they start moving soon, because I can be a little bit patient at times, but if you tell me 4 to 8 weeks and it's past that time, I kind of expect some sort of update, but that's neither here nor there. Just wanted to give you guys all a little bit update on my pre-orders. Honestly, I'm trying my best to get them in, but as of right now, I don't have an expected time as to when they will arrive. So we will go ahead and start with the smaller box, just because I'm sure you guys know what is in here by now. I've unboxed a lot of these on my channel, so let's just go ahead and open this one up first. So in this box, the item that I got is obviously going to be another pocket organizer, and it is the blueberry one from the Donuts collection. So this pocket organizer has a similar layout to the chocolate one. However, it is in this blueberry color. I absolutely love this color against these donut prints. And this one has like a little bitten donut that's in the shape of the LV logo. And then on the interior, they all have the same little donut stamp, as well as it does say Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And I'm happy that they all come with this back pocket. And this is the item code and price. So it does retail for 670 Canadian dollars plus tax. And if you're interested, the item code is M28045. Now moving on to the bigger box. So this one I am very excited for, because if you watched my Louis Vuitton and Murakami 2026 lookbook video, this was one of the items, along with the Nano Speedy that I unboxed a couple weeks ago, that I desperately wanted. And I am so happy that it has finally arrived. I personally have not seen this restocked on the Louis Vuitton website since launch. So I don't know how many of these are released, but I did see a couple unboxings here on YouTube. So I'm super excited that I finally got my hands on it. So let's go ahead and open it up. So fun fact, this size is a size that I quite use regularly every single day. Oh my god, it's so cute. I use it every single day in my Speedy 30. So I definitely will get a lot of use out of this. And any guesses as to what I got based off of the shape? So in this bag here, the item that I got was the Toiletry Pouch 19 in white multicolor. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. So it is similar to the Monogram Toiletry Pouch 19 that I do have, where it does come with a wipeable interior lining. However, I did notice something slightly different, but I'm not necessarily sure how I feel about it. Let me go ahead and show you quickly. So this is my Toiletry Pouch 19, and it is my perfect size for a catch-all. I wear this in my Speedy 30, and honestly, it fits everything that I need for the day. So I was really quite excited when they released the Murakami one. However, I did notice two differences from this version compared to the Murakami one. The first noticeable difference is going to be this lip here. On the traditional monogram one, it is a lot longer compared to the multicolor one. So as you can see here, the multicolor one is significantly smaller in comparison to the monogram one. And then in terms of the zipper pull, the one on the monogram one is in a more matte finish compared to the multicolor one, which has a more shiny and a glossier finish, which I kind of prefer, to be honest. Other than that, both bags are exactly the same, where they have one piece of canvas, so that way the front side is right side up and then the back side is upside down, as well as they both have that wipeable interior, so that way you're able to carry your toiletries in here as it is intended. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this kind of content or simply want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.